Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon if you're new, and hit the like button if you like the video. This is the fifth lecture of Java tutorials, and in this lecture we will show you how to take input from the users. In the previous lectures you have seen the programs in which the value of the variables was fixed. To refer the output, Java uses system.out with the print line method, and for input it uses system.in. Java doesn't directly take the input from console, so we will use the scanner class over here to take the input. So over here you could see that I have a program which calculates the area of a circle. In this, the value of radius is fixed. So now over here we will take this value of radius from the user. For that, you first import the scanner class by simply writing over here import java.util.scanner. After importing the scanner, now we have to create the scanner object over here by writing scanner input equals to new scanner, and in the parentheses we have to write system.in. and after creating the scanner object, now we need to specify radius to be imported from the console by the user. So for that we have to write over here system.out.println, and we're going to write over here provide value. Now we have to give the value for the variable radius, which is input dot next double, the radius. We use next double because our variable is of type double. If you are using a radius or any of your variable of type integer, you have to write over here something like next integer, or if it is a string you have to write over here next string. So now we have to run our program, and now we have to write over here the value of the radius. So if I provide it the value 10, then the area of radius of is 314.0. It is printing 0.0 because it is of type double, and if it is of type integer, then this 0.0 is also not going to print. So now if we run it again and try it with some different value like 7, we are going to get the area that is 153.86. So only this much for this video. Now we'll soon meet in our next lecture.